Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner for the week of September 3rd to the 9th. We are going to be using this kit from my shop called School Days, and I really wanted to use this kit because it is my kids' first week back to school. My son is starting preschool for the first year, and my daughter is in her second year of preschool, and so I thought this kit was super fun with all of the little kid elements with the scissors and the apples and the glue, that kind of thing. It just, perfect kit for this week. So I started with laying down my bottom washi. I didn't split the washi this week because I just love those crayons. I think the effect just gave it such a nice thing, and I thought if I split it up and used some washi that I would cut the crayons up too much that you couldn't really tell what it was. I put the apple with the books in the top left-hand corner for my quote box, and now I'm just going to go in and stagger my full boxes with some glitter headers on top. I kind of wanted to do there was a lot of red in the full boxes, so I tried to separate the reds out as much as possible, kind of doing like red box, not red box, that kind of thing. So it was taking me a little while to figure out, but I think I got it, and I think it turned out super, super nice. There is so many fun colors in this kit. There are tons and tons of colors, actually. So it made it really fun to pull in washi and different elements in it because I really could use anything that I wanted. I used a bunch of different colors of washi, but I didn't use too much of it like I was hoping to. Just I had a very, very busy week, so there was a lot of plans to fill in. So I'm just going to go in and lay everything else down now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have laid down all of my full boxes and glitter headers. I also went in and put the date covers on that came from the kit, and I used the date squares that come from my shop as well to put the dates in. I used the flags in the top left hand and right hand corners that came from the kit as well. Moving on to my sidebar, I put some Simply Gilded washi after the full box. And then I put a half box down, and I like to put this down to put the highlight for the week. I forget to fill this in on camera, but I did put that it was my kids' first week of school. Then I put in another piece of washi from Simply Gilded, dinner's header from the kit, as well as a weekly sidebar sticker to mark what my dinners were for the week. I also put in a next week header as well with a 3-heart checklist to put some things that I wanted to mark down for the next week. So moving on to Monday, I put a quarter box that came from the kit as well as this Happy Labor Day sticker from my holidays sheet from my shop. Then I put in 3 arrows to mark that my sale was ending. I had a Labor Day sale that weekend, so I wanted to put that down. Then I put a movie marquee down from the kit to mark that I went to go and see Incredibles 2. That was the second time I've seen it. Super, super good movie. If you haven't seen it yet, you need to go watch it. It's so cute. Then I took a teardrop from the kit as well as a car icon to mark that my husband was coming home that day. He had gone to Milwaukee all last week and he was finally home. Then I took a play structure icon from my shop to mark that me and the kids played outside in the evening. And the last thing I did was take a plan icon sticker from the kit to mark that I did plan this week out. A little late, but it still worked out good. For Tuesday, I took a laptop sticker and a work script sticker. I use this a lot this week, and I have used it quite a bit the last couple weeks, but I just like how simple it is to mark that I printed and cut it, just something really simple to mark it. If I have a lot of things in the day, I don't mark it because I do that every day, but to fill in space, it's just such a nice thing to have. I put a little piece of Simply Gilded washi just to separate the work, and I put this half box down to mark that we went to go and visit my grandma's new dog. I used a little dog icon from Green Darner Designs. It was so cute. It's on this like little sheet where they have like sleeping ones and sitting ones. It was so cute, so I really wanted to mark that. Then I took a piece of washi from the kit, just some solid washi, and I layered that with a hair appointment sticker from my shop to mark that I got my hair done that day. Then I took another laptop sticker to mark that I did some designing in the afternoon. And the last thing that I took was a TV from my shop to mark that I watched TV with my husband Jake all evening. For Wednesday, this was a terrible, terrible day. I don't know, just had so much anxiety, it was terrible. So I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered that with a little otter that's like saying why from Otter Prints Co. just to mark that my day was really bad. I ended up going to my mom's house that morning just to make me feel better. So what my mom was doing was she was painting some shelving, so I helped her with that. So I used a glitter flag from the kit to mark that I painted with my mom. My writing was really bad, so I just went and fixed it. Then I took a piece of washi from the kit and layered that with a manicure sticker from my shop to mark that I got my nails done. Finally, these things were going nuts. They were driving me insane. I think I had 5 broken. It was awful. So moved my appointments down to 3 weeks instead of 4, hoping that will change things. Then I took some arrows from the kit and layered that with a meal plan sticker from my shop to mark that I did meal plan for the shopping trip that I was going to do that day. So to mark the shopping trip, I took a grocery shopping sticker from my shop as well as a quarter box to mark that. Then I took a laptop sticker to mark that I did some designing in the evening, as well as a phone from my shop to mark that I had to order some checks. I didn't realize that checks took so long to get in. I think my bank changed things because it used to be like that date and now it's like 2 weeks, so bit of a surprise for me. So moving on to Thursday, I took a half box to mark that it was my kid's first day of school. So I have a school days sheet from my shop and I just took the first day of school sticker. Then I took a laptop and a work script sticker to mark that I worked. And to break up that little space, I took a piece of washi from the kit. Then I'm going to take a quarter box from the kit and layer that with a farmer's market sticker to mark that me and the kids went to the farmer's market after school. Then I took a car icon to mark that I wanted to drop some stuff off at the thrift shop, some clothes from my kids, and that we went to the bank. At the bottom there, I used some of the Simply Gilded washi. I am not a green fan, but this color is gorgeous. This is from their Tropical collection, and I think this green is just so stunning. I wish I could use it more, so I really, really wanted to use it in this kit. For Friday, this is where things kind of go bad. I actually was planning all my Saturday stuff on Friday, so all these plans you will see me change over. But what I did for Saturday actually is I took a film icon from the kit to mark that I did film some videos. Then I took a half box down and a shopping cart icon to mark that I did go to Fawn and Cub, which was a vendor market in our park. It was like a really, really big one. It had like 80 plus vendors there. It was really good. I took some Simply Gilded washi to separate that. Then I took an Etsy icon from the kit just and moved it over to the sale ends on Monday just because I was like, well, I have it in the kit, I might as well use it. Now I'm using a TV icon from my shop to mark that I binge watch YouTube videos. Honestly, I was addicted to watching cleaning videos this day. I don't know, are any of you into that? Because I don't know why. My husband thought it was the strangest thing, but it really kept me motivated. I don't know, I have been motivated ever since I've watched these things, so maybe it works. Then I took a flag from the kit as well as I took a meal plan icon that I just cut off like the fork and the knife to mark that I made some spaghetti sauce. Then I took another TV to watch that me and my husband watched The Chase in the evening. For Sunday, which I put on Saturday, I took a half box from the kit and layered that with a flag and a heart icon to mark that it was tester metal. My husband works at a Harley-Davidson dealership and I used to as well, and they asked me to work this event for them for the day. Then I took a movie marquee to mark that I went to go and see Christopher Robin. We watched it actually at our drive-in movie theater. Then I'm taking a car icon, and this is where I realize that I have made a mistake. So I took a piece of washi to separate this, and I started writing that I had to drop off my vacuum, and then I realized that I made a mistake. So I'm going to go in and move everything over, and I'm going to speed this up for you guys just so you don't have to sit here and watch this. Okay, so now that everything is moved over properly, for Friday I took a laptop sticker to mark that I worked on some websites in the morning. Then I took a quarter box from the kit and used a water the garden sticker from my shop. I actually didn't water the garden this day. They stopped filling the water jug at my garden. But what I did was I started cleaning everything up. So I started taking all the plants out and harvesting everything. Then I took a car icon from my shop to mark that I went to Staples. Then I want to mark that me and my friends had a game night that night. So I took a piece of washi from the kit and layered that with a game night sticker. And I do apologize, I totally lost the rest of this footage, but I ended up taking a quarter box and a eat out sticker from my shop to mark that I ate out that day. And I used a gaming control icon to mark that I played The Sims. For the rest of Sunday, I took some arrows from the kit to mark that we went to Chicken Chef for supper, and I just put a piece of washi to separate that and the movie marquee. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!